Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'll be discussing the Codeforces past four problems of today's Codeforces round division 3. Okay, division 3 894. Okay, yeah, like in the first question, basically you are given one matrix. Okay, this is n into m matrix, n number of rows and m number of column, and you have in the matrix you can select any four column, right? You can select any four column if the number of column in the matrix greater than equal to 4. Okay, and if the number of column in the matrix is greater than equal to 4, then you can, like, you have to choose four column in such a way that let's just choose four column first. Okay, let's suppose I choose this one, this one. Okay, okay, yeah, like again this one. So you have to choose the four column in such a way that in the first column, like from left to right, and if you traverse from left to right, in first column the character v should be there, and in the second column the character I should be there, and in the third column the character k should be there, and in the last column the character a should be there. So it is not like if in the first column, okay, so in the first column v is there and I is there, then at that case you can only consider v. Okay, it's not like, okay, I have found both v and e, but it's not like that. Okay, so you have to consider only one character, and you have to say, like, is there any like this type of arrangement exist or not, or do you, like, are you able to find the four column or not we satisfy this condition. The condition is that in first column the character b should be there, and in the second column the character I should be there, and in third column the character k should be there, and in fourth column the character a should be there. Okay, and you can select any four column. So if the number of column in the matrix is more than 4, if the number of matrix in the column is more than 4, like, see, so in this case, and the character b should be there, that means you have, like, in that column, uh, in any one of the cell the character b should be there, and in, like, for first column. Okay, so similarly for second column, there exists some, like, for second column there are n cell, and for first column there are n cell. So similarly out of the n cell, one cell should be I for second column. Okay, the character I should be present at that cell. And similarly here, see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 cell. Out of 9 cell you have to choose any four. Okay, yeah, like you have to choose any four, and after selecting the four cell, just traverse from the left to right. Okay, just traverse from the left to right and check in that four cell uh, this four character, like, will you, I mean, just traverse from the left to right and see, uh, like, see, the four character present or not, or you can see, like, do you see, yeah, like, see, four character is not. So what is the like solution or approach for this problem? So it is optimal. What is optimal? Like, it is like, it is kind of subsequence problem, and like, who are, like, those who are able to solve this problem, they can, like, think kind of subsequence. Okay, so, like, the little bit trick part is that, like, it's not kind of trick. So see, at first I have to choose b, so I just traverse from the every cell, uh, I just traverse from the every column, and like, wherever I find the character v, I should take that. Okay, so I found the character v, and now I have to search for I. Okay, so why is this? Like, you can say that, bro, here I found v, here also I found v, and here I found v, and here I found I, and here I found v. So why not this position? Why not I, like, why not I am taking, okay, so why not I take, I mean, yeah, like, why I'll not take this column. So, okay, why I will not take this column? Because if you take this column, then you will miss this I mean, any one of the cell, any one of the cell I is there, and here any one of the cell V is there, and here also similar case, any one of the cell V is there, and here V is there, and cell. So if you select this column as your first, this column as your first column, then you will miss this one, this I, right? So like there is a possibility that after this B, uh, in this question K is there and this A is there, and like in this person no, like not any kind, let's suppose this one, okay. Yeah, so if you take this as your first, if you take this as your first column, and then you can take this as your second column, and then here this is third, this is fourth, you got your answer, right? So like it is always optimal, like why it is always optimal to choose uh, first column wherever you find that character. So let's suppose the character is exist in three column, but I have to choose the first column like from left side, because I am traversing from the left to right, right? So you have to choose the first column, the very first column where you find that character. So like this is the solution. You just traverse from this column and check if V is there, and if V is there, next you have to check I. From this column you have to check from for I. And okay, so I have found I in this column, then from next I have to like from this column to end column, like last column, I have to search for the character K, okay. And after I get K, then I'll start search for character A, okay. So yeah, like this is the solution. And why like I have to uh, I have to pick the first column wherever I found that character, although that character exists in more than one column. But whenever I find my required character uh, for the first time, any one of the column, then I have to choose like that column, okay. So this was the solution. And if you find this character, then just print yes, otherwise print no. So this is the solution. And why, like this is the one trick part, is that I have to choose, like if I found one required character, and although that required character is present in more than one column, but I have to choose the very first one. And why I have to choose the very first one, and I have explained it to you. So yeah, like this is the whole solution. I hope you understand the problem statement along as well as the solution, okay. So we'll meet in next video. Bye.